Well, we always feel that there is a unique Jewish community here. It's very cohesive, and there were always activities going on. And I remember talking to friends who lived in, or family in New York or Toronto. They didn't have this kind of affinity to the Yiddish schools that we had here. And somehow, I don't know what it was, but it was a very, very, and it still is, even though the population is not the same, it was a very vibrant Jewish community. Why it was, I really can't say, but I think this is one of the only cities in North America that has so many still Orthodox synagogues. Mostly they're conservative and reform in the other cities, and very few. And here it was the opposite. Now there are more conservative than there were then, I think, and there's only one reform synagogue, really. But it was a very close-knit and cohesive community, yes, and they always had cultural things going on and artistic, and it was really, really wonderful.